Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Cardano on Binance. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, for that you will need to have a Binance account. So if you don't have one, I will leave the link in the description below so you can register, and on top of that you will get 5% more crypto on your first deposit. And once you have your account, you should see similar window to this, and then on the top left corner there is buy crypto button. So if you hover your mouse here, you can see you can pay with, and then you can select your currency: USDT, Euro, rubles. It really doesn't matter what you select, what you prefer. And then there is 4 options. So you can deposit money, buy crypto through bank deposit, Visa, P2P trading, or third-party payment. So I think the easiest way how you can buy it is through credit or debit card. So I will select this option, and then we need to wait for a few seconds here until the page loads up, and then I will show you the other steps that you need to take. So as you can see here, there is buy crypto. You can enter amount of dollars, euros, or whatever you want to buy. A minimum is $15, and then you can select coin. So select Tether because USDT, because Tether or USDT, because prices is change its rarest for this coin, because basically this is the most stable coin. And then enter amount of dollars you want to put. So as you can see, minimum 15. If I put 15, you will get about 14 USDT, and then just press buy USDT. And then the next step what you need to do here is, when you have USDT on your account, then you need to go on trade, press convert, and as you can see here, what you need to do here is you need to enter the amount of USDT you have, and then you need to select ADA, right, Cardano, and you can enter amount of USDT, or simply you can add how much ADA you want to buy or Cardano, and then you just need to preview conversion. So as you can see here, for me is inefficient funds, but for one basically for 15 USDT I will get around 11 Cardano coins, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.